In this video, I'm going to show you a secret loophole that no one else is talking about, and you can cash in on $200 to $3,000 without any skills or experience. There's a small group of people quietly using this underground loophole and making money every single month. If you're completely new and looking for some easy ways to make money online, this is it. This is 100% free and it works in all countries. So if you ever wanted to make money online, even if you have no experience, watch the full video and follow along step by step. But before we start, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss anything. And if you want my #1 recommendation of the best way to make money online, just click the first link in the description below this video. I'm Money Mark, and on this channel I share tips on affiliate marketing, tool reviews, and tutorials to help you build and scale your online business. With that being said, let's get into the video. So I'm going to show you a secret loophole that's going to help you cash in on $200 to $3,000 even if you have no previous skills or experience. Now I want you to go to your browser and type moneypantry.com. Once you get to this website, you can see here, welcome to Money Pantry, simple solutions to earn and save more money. So this website and this blog post will help you to learn a variety of strategies and methods to make money online. I want to give credit to the website owner because it really is a good website with a lot of useful information. If you take a look at this, you'll notice that there are different ways to make money. 81 legit ways to earn money online. 150 work from home jobs, and they're hiring. So it's a lot of ways to make money, save money, and you can get a lot of freebies as well on this website. You can see here on moneypantry.com, get paid to write on over 100 different websites that are willing to pay you anywhere from $50 to $3,000 per blog post. And don't worry, you don't need any writing skills and you don't have to be good in English. In fact, you don't have to write anything yourself because in this video, I'm going to show you a very unique and powerful strategy using a Google trick to get everything done for you on autopilot. All you have to do is collect the payments. Now, when you come onto this website, you can find a lot of different companies that are willing to pay you money to write articles. For example, Transitions Abroad is willing to pay you $150 per blog post. Scrolling down, you can find literally hundreds of different companies that are willing to pay you a lot of money. The earning potential here is unlimited. There are just so many opportunities for you because you can find a multitude of different websites so you can build multiple streams of income. For example, this website Cracked is a popular website that's willing to pay you $50 to $200 per post. And this one will pay you to write fiction such as fantasy and science fiction. They pay 7 to 12 cents for every single word that you write. Now let me show you one example using one of these companies that you can use to make money online by simply writing on Google. You can see here the sites that pay you to write about general interest. And the reason I want to show you this one is because it's very simple for you to write about general interest. In just a moment, I'll show you where you can find free articles so you can simply get some inspiration and ideas, or even just copy and paste those done for you articles. For example, this company, Vibrant Life, is willing to pay $100 to $300 per post. So go ahead and click on this link, Vibrant Life. And when you come to this website, it's really important that articles should focus on one topic and stay with that subject to the end. These are short articles with just a few hundred words, and then you can get paid up to $300 per post. It really has good earning potential for brand new beginners from any country in the world. And I want to give you an example of how good the pay is. So I'm going to show you this website here, which is called Textbroker. This website also pays you to write articles, but let me show you the difference of pricing for the amount of money you can make. For example, if you're writing 600 words per article for Textbroker with 3-star quality, you're just going to make $6.60. But for this website, Vibrant Life, you're going to make anywhere from $100 to $300 per post by simply writing a very short article. This is actually really easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it in the next step. You're basically going to copy and paste free articles on Google, and I'm going to show you how you can submit them on this website. And you can start getting paid as soon as today. Now what I want you to do is go onto Quora.com. And if you write a topic about general interest, for example, a topic on how to learn English, and press enter, then you're going to find a lot of different posts because Quora is a free forum that allows people to post different questions. And you can also see the answers to those questions. And as you can see, Quora has a lot of posts. So if I click on this link here, How Do We Study English Effectively, there are a lot of people following this post. And just below that, you'll find that there's more than 300 different answers. For example, this answer. If you click on More, it'll open up the article, and when I scroll down, you can view the full article. This is good quality content on Quora, and there are a lot of people viewing these answers. The main reason I love Quora so much for this strategy is because you can find over hundreds of different answers, but they'll automatically give you the best answer pinned on the very top. And based on our search, this answer is the best and is pinned to the top. As you can see, it's been viewed 61,000 times, 515 upvotes, and 27 shares. So a lot of people like this post. So in the next step, you'll read these articles and copy them. But remember, you don't want to plagiarize other people's work, so it's not going to be an exact copy. Instead, I want you to get some inspiration and look at different people's answers. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So now I want you to open up another tab and go into your browser and type docs.google.com. Hit enter, and then you're going to come to this page where you can start a new document. Click on this blank document right here, and we're going to open up a new blank document, which is where you can start to copy and paste. Basically, what we're going to be doing is copying the answers and pasting them into this document. And then we're going to submit that and get paid on different websites. So I want you to go back to Quora, and then you're going to open up different links. For example, open up this post and this post here. You could find different answers for this topic. This post is really a good article, so just copy this post and go back to Google Docs and just paste it. And you can repeat the same thing. Remember, we can't just copy people's exact text because our article won't be accepted. The best and easiest strategy is that you can refer to multiple people and find different posts, look for different answers, and get different points from different answers. And then tweak it and change it a little bit using your own words. The reason this strategy is so powerful is because you only need very short articles, anywhere from 450 to 650 words. That should be enough. In fact, they don't want you to exceed 1,000 words. So this is really a good strategy and an opportunity for you to come up with some short articles using the answers from Quora. Now I'll show you another Google trick that you can use. Once you read those articles, you can go back to Google Docs and just go ahead and click on Tools and select Voice Typing. You can start speaking to your mobile phone with your microphone or your computer, and instead of typing or writing the articles yourself, you can actually speak, and this tool will automatically convert your voice into words. So I'm going to show you an example. Just click on this microphone logo and start speaking. So in this video, I want to show you a brand new method to make money online using a Google trick. So all you have to do is just copy and paste, and remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So once you finish speaking, just click on the microphone icon to stop the voice typing tool. This is a really good strategy, a very nice Google trick that you can use instead of just typing out those articles and blog posts yourself. You can just speak and read out the answers on Quora because for me, I can read faster than I can type. And now for a bonus website, which is listverse.com. And this website will pay you to write a top 10 list. As you can see here, it's all top 10 articles, and they pay you up to $100 for every top 10 list that you submit. So this is a very good opportunity for you to make some money online by simply writing on different websites. And if you wanted to write about something specific, for example, let's say just fun facts, go into your search bar and enter top 10 fun facts. And when you scroll down, you could get a few ideas. Now you could go back to Quora. For example, if you receive this job, you can just go to Quora and then you can type in the keyword, which is top 10 fun facts, and press enter. And you can search on this topic to see whether or not you can find some good answers. If I click on one of these posts, I can find some really good answers. I can just scroll down and there's some good information here. Fun facts that people had no idea about, and I can simply copy and paste. So this is actually a very good source of inspiration. So you can just go over different answers and make your own top 10 list. And you can find different websites to get paid. For example, moneypantry.com. They're going to find different websites and different companies, and they're willing to pay you money to write some simple articles. Or even other companies like Listverse, which will pay you to write top 10 list. It really doesn't matter what website you're going to use to make money online, whether it's Listverse or Money Pantry. You can effectively use Quora to find your answers. Just simply get some inspiration and you can refer to other people's answers, copy and paste those answers in a Google Docs, and then you can use a voice typing tool to write the articles for you. Once you're ready to submit your article, just scroll down to Contact the Editor for submission and click on it. Then fill out your name, email, and the subject, which is going to be submission. Share any details and upload your article. Answer the caption and send. And you're all set. You can make a lot of money with this method. I hope these ideas have stirred up some inspiration for you to get started and begin to make money online. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you build and scale your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.